video, we look at parallel lines and planes. How would you define parallel lines? We know that intersecting lines are the lines that meet at a point. So are lines which do not meet parallel? Like line P and line Q here. They don't meet even if they're extended. Or maybe we can call them lines which do not intersect. Are these definitions correct? This is how most of the students define it, and it is not completely correct. Let us erase this and see why. Consider a plane. Suppose we have line P on the plane A and line Q passing through the plane A like this, perpendicular to it. These lines will never meet. Are lines P and Q parallel then? They never meet, but the answer is no, they are not parallel lines. Let us understand the complete definition of parallel lines. Lines which lie on the same plane and do not intersect are called parallel lines. Consider line C and line D. If they lie on one plane and they do not meet each other, then lines C and D are called parallel lines. So that's the complete definition of parallel lines. Lines which lie on the same plane and do not intersect. But what are parallel planes? It's simple. They are planes which do not intersect. If we have plane A and plane B which do not intersect, they are called parallel planes. And the best example of parallel planes is opposite surfaces of a cube. Let this be our cube. Let us name all the vertices of the cube so that we can identify the planes easily. Let A, B, C, D be the front face and let E, F, G and H be the back face. Every pair of opposite planes in a cube is parallel. To consider an example, we can say that the top and the bottom surfaces are parallel to each other. Plane ADFG is parallel to plane BCEH. Understand two important concepts in this video. Consider two intersecting lines A and B. How many angles are formed when two lines intersect? You can see that 4 angles are formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Look at angles 1 and 3. They are opposite each other and are always equal. They are called vertically opposite angles. Angles 2 and 4 are also opposite each other and are also equal. This pair of angles as well are called vertically opposite angles. Well, it looks as if angles 1 and 3 are vertical while angles 2 and 4 are horizontal. But in any case, such pairs of angles are always called vertically opposite angles. This was the first concept. Most of you would be familiar with the second concept though. If we have a line on a plane and a ray from any point on the line, then two angles are formed, angle 1 and angle 2. The sum of these two angles will always equal 180 degrees. Angles 1 and 2 form a linear pair. They are called linear because together they form a line. These two concepts will help us understand an important concept which we will see in the next video.